Hello everyone, how you all doing today? I hope you guys are doing great. It's me, your girl Etiosa. I'm back again with another exciting video. So if this is your first time watching me, hi, my name is Etiosa. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. And please, if you know that you haven't subscribed yet, do not forget to hit the red subscribe button on your screen. And if you do, don't forget to turn on your notification button so you will be notified anytime I'll be uploading a new video. And please, just in case you don't want to subscribe, it's totally fine. I just want to ask for this. Don't forget to, like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I really do appreciate it. So my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I can never forget to say hi to you guys. Hi, how you all doing? I hope you guys are doing great. It's been a while. So I'm here today to give you guys this exciting, beautiful recipe. So now I'm going to be giving you guys this super strong recipe. Please, disclaimer here, if you know that you want to be making this particular body lotion, know how you're going to be using this one. If you know that you're going to be selling this to people, know the type of people you'll be selling it out for. Don't just sell it for people that will tell you, oh, I need a whitening body lotion. Please try to ask them how whitening they want their skin to be, okay? Because this lotion is super strong, like very strong, very strong. And if you're going to be using this, don't forget to apply sunscreen on your skin. It's very important. That will help. And this lotion is just going to be used only at night, okay? Don't use it during the day. But if you live in abroad and the weather is cold, you can definitely use it, okay? You can use it morning and night, but it's not advisable to use it under the sun. Now, before I give you guys the recipe, please guys, just give me just 1 minute, 30 seconds of your time. I won't waste your time, please. So we have a skincare training coming up pretty soon. So I've talked about this, I think, once, if I'm not mistaken. So now this skincare training is for those of you that want to upgrade your skincare formula. We've done one training like this before, that was last year. So we have another one coming up. So this one is a combination of promixing and natural. So the natural formula that I'll be sending in is just like whitening. Like I will kind of leave a picture on the screen so you guys can go through it, okay? Just pause the video so you can go through it and know what you're going to be learning in this skincare training. And the fees is just 60,000 naira. And then the first 10 people that want to register will get to pay 50,000 naira. So it's super duper affordable. So this particular training is going to help in advance your formula. Is going to help you upgrade your formula. So if you know people have been complaining of your skincare product, I know of a lot of people that will chat me up and they'll be like, Etty, I've done a lot of trainings and nothing has worked for me, the recipe don't work, blah blah, this da. People don't give their 100% formula. See, in this particular training, you're going to be getting a full formula. All right, and you are free to talk to me anytime you want to. You are free to call me anytime you want to. And if you have other recipe that you want to upgrade, you just want me to adjust a few things for you, you are free to let me know. I'm always here. I'm as simple, okay? So it's not like this training is just you're not just going to be learning a lot of things. You are also going to be building a relationship with me that we both can actually benefit from. All right, so if you are interested, send me a DM. This is January. This is a time for you to start making money. This is a time for you to start making good, effective skincare products, because nobody want to get a bad skincare product that will end up not working, or at the end of the day people start complaining, or at the end of the day just makes you want to give up and stop doing it because you feel like you are not doing better. So this is a great opportunity for you. The fees is just 50,000 naira, okay? So if you are interested, send me a DM and then we'll start from there. So we just have like a week and few days left to start the training, and the training is just going to last for 2 days. I'll leave a picture, I'll leave my contact. If you're interested, send me a DM or call me and then we'll get to talk about it. Now let me dive right into the video that makes me pop up here. So now the recipe I'll be giving you guys today is a strong recipe, as I've said earlier, okay? So if you do this, I will advise to try this on your skin for like a week to know how effective this is, okay? So this is a promixing method. So you're going to name this lotion any name you wish to. I'm not going to be giving you name. This is a strong whitening customized body lotion. All right, so now the first thing you're going to be needing is carrot based cream. You're going to be needing 1 kg. Okay, so I'm going to be giving this out in kg or in ml. I'm not going to be giving this in percentage, so this is like is the simplest way for you to do it. But if you know you're going to be making a small quantity, know how you're going to divide this. All right, okay. You're going to be needing carrot based cream 1 kg. You'll be needing Pro Skincare Nano Extra White Lotion 1. You'll be needing G&D White Secret Gold 1. You'll be needing kojic berry action concentrate 1. You'll be needing half cask whitening milk 1. You'll be needing half cask whitening oil 1. You'll be needing Egyptian milk 100 ml. You'll be needing Egyptian talking oil 50 ml. You'll be needing collagen extra forts pink, the pink one. You'll be needing magic white glycerin 50 ml. You'll be needing Mazi white serum 2. You'll be needing Glutathione concentrate half. You'll be needing magic force 1. You'll be needing glutathione serum 1. You'll be needing koji clear tube 2. You'll be needing La Dacoris tube 1. You'll be needing Shenic 3 days concentrate 1. You'll be needing glutathione serum 100 ml. You'll be needing magic derma 1. You'll be needing rapid whitenizer 1. You'll be needing propylene glycol 20 ml. You'll be needing whitening ampoules 2 pieces. You'll be needing miracle derm 2 pieces. You'll be needing rescue oil 2. You'll be needing anti-stretch mark ampoules 3 ampoules. You'll be needing sunblock 10 ml. You'll be needing pampered stretch mark oil 10 ml. You'll be needing German Plus 50 ml, 5 ml, sorry. You'll be needing skin free milk 1. So these are all the ingredients you're going to be needing to make this body lotion. So now the carrot based cream, you can make that yourself if you know how to make carrot based cream, or you can get it in the market. Make sure you are getting a very thick base. Okay, if you can't lay your hands on carrot based cream, you can get any base cream of your choice, but make sure that it's very thick, very thick. But after mixing everything together and you feel like the consistency of this body lotion is a bit light, what you need to do is to get a bit of glycerin, a bit of xanthan gum, mix it together. Just a little bit of xanthan gum, please. Do not go and add too much so that your lotion will not turn to pap. So get a bit of xanthan gum, a bit of glycerin, mix it together. Okay, then pour it into your lotion bit by bit. Then use your stick blender or your whip blender, whatever blender you have, to mix properly. After mixing everything, then you get the best consistency that you want. So if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. And if you watch this video to this point, do not forget to leave a comment under the comment section. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.